If you're into voyeurism, like I am, and like to tune in to places like this, a crowded truck stop, of which the first corner just so happens to be the livest, obviously. Super busy, and common mistakes made by guys trying to pull in and park. And as you can see, the doofuses that are illegally parked blocking me in. But I made no fuss about it because, well, I've been here for pushing 34 hours, and by the time I leave, they should be gone. But if not, hey, I'm just gonna have to knock on them doors and kick them fucking doors down. But anyway, no, won't have to do that because since this is such a tight spot, there have only been bobtails parking to the left of me, so I'll be able to wiggle out nonetheless. But either way, this is pretty much the most active and seemingly crowded Love's gas station that I've been to, amidst all of my travels. I was so intrigued that I had to go ahead and run my camera. And so, if you are into voyeurism, just as I am, then hey, let's watch on this beautiful day. Somewhat beautiful. It was partially cloudy, and it did rain sporadically. But aside from that, this is one of the, I guess, dullest moments. But I mean, all throughout the night, this corner was super live, and all throughout this video, you guys will see a bunch of fools pulling in fast, making challenging turns, and you get to hear the shows that I watch in the background. I was watching Godfather of Harlem. Didn't know that there was a new season coming out. Yeah, I went ahead and subscribed to MGM through Prime for 99 cents a month just so I can go ahead and watch that season. And then I'll be canceling that subscription because, well, I already paid for Prime, and I already paid for Netflix, and I already pay for Stars. Stars has the entire Power series, plus the continuance, which is Raising Kanan, and then there's the BMF series. I'm like, yo, there's too many reasons to pay for Stars. But MGM, I'm navigating the app, and after watching The Godfather of Harlem, its latest 2 editions in season 4, I'm now watching Sonic the Hedgehog 3, and I don't really think I'm probably going to find much else to watch. So, definitely going to be canceling that subscription. But even if I do find something that I like, it won't be as much of a reason to keep it like I do my Stars. Because Stars definitely charged me a lot for the effing year after the deal was over. Yeah, after them little $3 a month, they wouldn't swipe me for the remainder of the year, which I didn't know would happen. And I was like, well, by the time I try to get that money back, they'll have logged me out, and I won't be able to continue to watching Raising Kanan, nor Ghost, and BMF comes back in June. So there's more than enough reason. More than enough, I tell you. But yeah, I'm up this truck stop, and I'm down to my last few hours, and I'm bored. And the people parked next to me, they all look like, listen, they look like recycling bins, but not your ordinary recycling bins. Just the ones that hold aluminum, motherfucker. And nobody's ever happy to see aluminum recycling bins. So come on, man. And then, I'm not the finest dude in the world, but I do take the time out to make sure I look like something that somebody want to look at. But these other folks, on the other hand, peace to you all. Enjoy the footage, and I'll be posting. I've got like 7 of these videos. So let's get into store clerk mode while we watch this footage and enjoy some of this trucker madness. Have a good one.